North America's most searched waffle recipe. Discover how to make the most searched waffle recipe in North America. This easy and delicious waffle recipe is perfect for breakfast or brunch. Follow along for a step-by-step guide to create fluffy and golden waffles that everyone will love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 3/4 cups milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat waffle iron. Plug in your waffle iron and preheat it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Combine wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat 2 large eggs. Add 1 3/4 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are okay. Cook the waffles. Lightly grease the waffle iron with cooking spray or brush with melted butter. Pour the batter onto the preheated waffle iron, using a ladle or measuring cup to distribute it evenly. Close the lid and cook until the waffles are golden brown and crisp. Cooking time will vary depending on your waffle iron. Serve. Carefully remove the waffles from the iron and serve immediately with your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, whipped cream, syrup, or powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade waffles, and make sure to share this recipe with your friends and family. If you try it, let us know how it turned out in the comments below.